पार्शे आणि एसएससीच्या गुणवंत विद्यार्थ्यांचो गौरव करपाचो जो उपक्रम केलो चालू आसा त्या उपक्रमा अंतर्गत आमच्या हरपत पंचक्रोशी हायस्कूलच्या प्रांगणात आज आमच्या हायस्कूलचे एसएससीक 85% वयर आयिल्ल्या विद्यार्थ्यांचो गौरव जाता। ती संख्या 10 आसा। हे आयकून पळोवन खूब समाधान जाता, पूण समाधाना बरोबर अभिमानानय छाती फुडें येता।
Fazal Kaushal, and may God bless your good work and all the endeavors that you are doing towards upliftment of these young minds. Thank you.
तो ग्रुप केल्लो WhatsAppar आणि सद्दी पेपर सॉल्विंगाक दी दिल्ले म्हणून अभ्यास कंटिन्यू जाय त्यांच्या खातीर थँक्यू त्यांचे। जो आयच्या दिसा तो सत्कार करता ह्यो आमच्या खातीर अविस्मरणीय क्षण आहा। सगळ्यांक थँक्यू म्हणटा टिचर्सांक, फ्रेंड्सांक आनी आई मम्मा पप्पा। टिचर्सांक ह्या खातीर की तेंच्यांनी ह्या लॉकडावन कोरोनाच्या काळात सुद्धा आमकां सगळ्यांक उबें करून दिले। फ्रेंड ह्याच खातीर की आमी सगळे टिचरींग शेअर करूं शकना ते फ्रेंड्सांक करूं शकता आनी मम्मी पप्पा ह्या खातीर की तेंच्यांनी आमकां स्वप्न दाखयलें आनी आमकां सगळ्यांक फुडें काडलें।
स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान आयोजित केल्लो कार्यक्रम सगळ्या भुरग्यांक फॅसिलिटेट करता।
I thank President of Dhruva Sports Club, Sri Deepak Kalambudkar, who is politician, social worker, and ardent lover of sports. He felicitated our students who were toppers in our school, first and second. So I thank Dhruva Sports Club. I need not tell more about Dhruva Sports Club. This year only they have organized tree plantation in whole Pedne Taluka. They have sanitized Parse village. Besides, they organized cricket tournament Goa Sindhudurga. So such is the work of the Dhruva Sports Club, which I will not tell villagers of Parse. Okay, so once again I thank President of Dhruva Sports Club for felicitating our students. Thank you.
या निमित्तान हांव सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांक एक विनंती करता की प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्यान तेंचो नेचरान एक तांकां लागून प्रिंट केल्लो आसता। तो प्रिंट म्हणजे एखाद्या प्रत्येक मनीस काय डॉक्टर्स इंजिनियर्स जावंक शकना, तांकां जो नेचरान प्रिंट दिला त्याच प्रिंटाचेर तेंच्यांनी फुडली आपली वाटचाल करप। म्हणजे आम्ही खूप वेळार म्हणतात की ना तू 90% गुण घेवपाक जाय। हांव विद्यार्थ्यांक विनंती करता
अतिशय प्रेशर असताना सुद्धा बऱ्या मार्कांनी पास, स्पेशली बऱ्या मार्कांनी पास केल्या भुरग्यांचो 15 ऑगस्टाच्या निमित्तान सत्कार केल्लो आहा। ते ह्या सत्कार करपाची संधी आमकां पेडण्यातल्या म्हणजे बऱ्याचशा स्कुलांनी दिल्या बद्दल त्या स्कुलांच्या क्लबाच्या वतीन आभार मानता।
फक्त पेपर धाडप इतकेंच काम नासलें टिचरांचे। तेच्या परस जशें सरान सांगलें 75 स्टुडंट आसले, ते 75 स्टुडंट जेन्ना आन्सर करताले ते एसेसमेंट सगळे टीचर करताले। सो त्या खातीर हांव खरेंच टिचरांचें अभिनंदन करता, कित्याक 75 पेपर एसायड करप म्हणजे कितें आसतलें ते टास्क। तो ऑनलायन एसेसमेंट करप आनी परते तांकां कितें चुकलें तें दाखोवन दिवप हें सुद्दां काम करताले त्या खातीर हांव खरेंच एस्टॉप करता टिचरांक.
Inspiring such talking by giving some gift, and I hope they will do more and more things for this school. Thank you very much.
This committee is prepared for the history of private school. Dear staff members, my dear brothers and sisters. First and foremost, I take this opportunity to congratulate and appreciate our students, our four students that have come with flying colors and they have been facilitated by Drew Club. So I like to congratulate all of them and I would like to wish all the best. Also all our staff members and teachers for their hard work, for training the students and getting this good result. Secondly, I would like to thank and appreciate this club, especially coming in a school and participating our students. We appreciate your concern towards us. Thank you very much and God bless you. Happy Independence Day. Have a nice day.
Dignities on the dialogue. Also, just now I spoke through a sports and cultural. I don't know much about the activities, but I know only one. They organize cricket tournament at 2M ground, and many children, school children, when they were there, maybe 4-5 years, used to tell me, "Sir, आज ते सुरेश रैना येवपाचो आसा." सुरेश रैना आयलो न्ही, तूं येता काय म्हणून पळोवपाक सुरेश रैना क्रिकेटर. So I know that they bring prominent people or personalities in the field of cricket, and they organize that cricket tournament. And I also know that every year they felicitate our students from Pedne Taluka. That is a good activity they are doing, and I think they may be doing some cultural activities and other sports also. But I think their main focus is on cricket or all sports, maybe cricket. So it is good in a way that on the playground, while passing, sometimes I have seen a lot of crowd there, and since they may bring cricket personalities, many children from here, Mandre or Kurgaon, that side, maybe Armal and out of Pedne Taluka also they come. So this time, and other personalities must have also come, but Suresh Raina means he is a very known personality. So every year they bring one of he also goes there, Sanjay sir. So from him also I know that tournaments are going on. So I thank you for you say I have selected our 4 students for this for their presentation, and next year you may have more also. So be prepared for those certificates. Okay, and thank you from Amandre's side also for selecting our hall and giving the. I know you have it in a grand way, but this pandemic has made everything. We can't do anything. Okay, so thank you very much.
First of all, I want to say thank you to all the teachers, father, principal. They were the real support behind us. It was really difficult because, as father told, we were not sure that the exams will be held or I don't know what. But still, study was there. Not that much study, but little bit. Then it was said that it will be held, and we are again to study everything, again to bring our heads up on that. But still, if it had not been done, I think little bit more the result would have been. Only one student, and I think she would also pass. Then parents, of course, they were study, come on, if the exams are not there, let it be. They will be there, you study. And finally the exams were held in our school also. That was little bit calm, teachers will be there. Don't worry. Thank you. I want to say thank you to everybody who supported me in this. Yeah, and for this also, to the group.
Thank you.
On behalf of Dhruva Sports and Cultural Club Parcel, I'm wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. And on this auspicious occasion, we have decided to felicitate the students from Mandren constituency for securing 85% and above in the currently SSC examination. And as we know, as we already spoke about the pandemic situation the world is going through, it was not that easy to answer the SSC examination. Not any sort of examinations was easy to answer, and especially for the students who are in the age group of 15 to 16 years. During the SSC examination, government was not certain of conducting the examination. Later, the schedule was not as per the exam was not held as per the schedule. Okay, there were doubts, there were rumors that the exam might get cancelled or it might get postponed. Okay, and such things actually distract the students from studying, because when you are opting for an examination, you have certain time for study. That time was actually gone beyond. Okay, and the student has to recollect everything, restudy the same portion again and again. That creates lots of frustration in the mind of the students. But even after this situation, from Don Bosco High School, Alisha, who is a resident of Parsai village also, from where we came, she scored 85% and above, okay, bringing glory to the school as well as the village of Parsai. So, on behalf of Dhruva, I would request Father Edwin to felicitate her with a memento and a certificate of appreciation.
Who is the president? President. President, secretary. You all are the main fellows. Alisha's daddy.
We are both in the house.
You touch me.
Thank you, Mother.
It was the pandemic. She has very, and I'm very happy for her. She is not a bookworm. She was very sociable, very loving, very caring, and she could get along with anybody and everybody. And that's the greatness of to be caring for others, helping others. And then those marks are worth it. That's all of us are the marks. पूण तूं मागीर एकलोच शिकता, आपलो एकलोच बडबड करता, तुका दुसऱ्याचें पडोंक ना. दोज मार्क्स हितून तेन्ना कितलो कमत वॅल्यू आसा. पूण तिचे मार्क्साक खूब वॅल्यू आसा. सो वी आर ग्रेटफूल टू ध्रुव म्हणजे बरें करून. ओके. आय एम हॅपी दॅट ऑल ऑफ यू कम. तुमचो टेल मी ऑफिस बॅरर्स. Just two for my.
Yeah, he'll give.
ध्रुव स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाचो अध्यक्ष दीपक पळवणकर ताचे सगळे सहकारी हांच्यांनी एक अभिनव हो कार्यक्रम साधारणपणे ते स्पोर्ट्स क्षेत्रांत भरपूर कार्यक्रम करतात वर्सभर. पूण पयले फावट ताचे पलीकडे वचून विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर आनी नेमकी हुशार विद्यार्थी घेवन त्या शाळेत वचून कार्यक्रम करप हो उपक्रम म्हाका तांचो खूब आवडलो. एखादी संस्था ही केवळ क्रीडा क्षेत्रा पुरती सीमीत अशी आसची न्हय. क्रीडा, सांस्कृतीक, शैक्षणिक क्षेत्र जे खूब महत्वाचें आसता त्या क्षेत्रांत आपली कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन आसचें ह्या दृश्टीन ताणें हो कार्यक्रम केलो. पयलेच वर्साचो कार्यक्रम आसा. त्यामुळे हांव तांचें अभिनंदन तर करताच, पूण ह्या कार्यक्रमात येणाऱ्या काळात उत्तरोत्तर हो कार्यक्रम आनीक यशस्वी जावचो तातूंतसून सगळ्या शाळांच्या भुरग्यांक प्रेरणा मेळची अशी अपेक्षा करता. तुमकां सगळ्यांक म्हणजे सगळी धर्तोपंचीची स्टुडंट्स आसात, म्हणजे तुम्ही भरपूर मार्क घेतले त्यामुळे शाळेक नांव लौकीक मेळ्ळो. शाळेचो क्वॉलिटी रिजल्ट उत्कृष्ट, म्हणजे शाळेची मुख्याध्यापिका स्मिता आणि ती टीम जी आसा टिचर्साची ते उत्कृष्ट काम करतात. त्याची आवती विद्यार्थ्यांची मनस्थिती सारखी सांबाळली, जी शिक्षकांनी शाळेत आणि घराकडे पालकांनी जर हे जर बॅलन्स दवरलो तरच एक विद्यार्थ्याची निकोप वाढ जाता.
चड वेळ घेना, कारण आम्ही हो सगळो सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग मेंटेन करून हो कार्यक्रम केल्लो आसा. परत एकदा हांव म्हणटा की ज्या विद्यार्थ्यांची फुडली जी वाटचाल आसतली दे हॅव टू बी अमेझिंग इन देअर फील्ड. मागीर ते कितें आसूं, परत एकदा सांगता की सगळे डॉक्टर्स आनी इंजिनियर जावंक शकनात. सम कॅन बी सिंगर्स, सम कॅन बी dancers, some can be musicians, some can be artists, some can be good administrators, some can be good politicians, but you have to be amazing in your field. You have to put all your efforts, all your skills in your field. Okay, so I wish everybody good success in their future, and I thank all the schools, all the principals, headmasters, headmistresses who gave us opportunity to host this function in their particular schools. Thank you very much.